Hey guys, this is your boy Yashua Gaming. Well, if you're new to this channel guys, please like the video, share the video and hit that subscribe button, okay? So in this brand new tutorial guys, today I'm gonna show you full step by step how we're gonna tether our iPhone mobile data to your PC laptop, alright, using a USB cable. And we can do this via the iPhone Wi-Fi as well, but as for this tutorial I'm gonna show you with a USB cable. And if you don't have the USB-C lightning cable or the USB default cable, just click that button right there, or you can, I'm gonna link down below in the video description. Okay guys, so first of all guys, what you want to do, you want to make sure that your mobile data is on, and then you want to go into your settings, then you want to go into your personal hotspot. Then what you want to do, you want to click allow others to join right there, okay? All right, your phone settings, then you want to go to Bluetooth and you want to turn this on, okay? Then you want to connect the USB charging cable, all right? And then all you want to do is to find a port on your PC and just plug it in. So as soon as you plug it in, it should be like this. It should say charging. Okay, so the next step, what you want to do guys, on your PC you want to press the Win key plus R at the same time on your keyboard. Alright, so this will bring up a run. Then you want to erase this, you want to write control. Alright, and if yours is something like this, then all you want to do is to click on view by, click on this where this drop down and choose large icons. Okay, then you want to click on network and sharing center. Then you want to click on change adapter settings. I'm just gonna disable the Wi-Fi right here, as you can see, so that it does not interfere with the connection. Alright, okay, so right here guys, you might want to notice that this thing is showing like a cross right here. Okay, it says network cable unplugged. So I disable the Wi-Fi. Now I'm gonna disable my Ethernet wired cable so that you guys don't say this video is fake. Okay, so I disable all my internet adapters, or other the Wi-Fi adapters. I disable the wired Ethernet. I only enable this, as you can see, Ethernet 2, which is Apple mobile device Ethernet. Then what you want to do, you want to search for Bluetooth, alright, and make sure that you have a laptop or a PC with a Bluetooth capable. Alright, you might want to use a Bluetooth dongle on you if you have a PC without Bluetooth, okay, if your motherboard does not support Bluetooth. Alright, so I'm gonna turn on this right here. Now I'm gonna click add a device, click Bluetooth, and now it should find it. It should say the iPhone, as you can see, Yashua's iPhone. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna click the connect button right here. Here it says connecting, and on my phone should give me an option to pair. As you can see right there, it shows me the code, and right here as well it shows me the code. So I gotta click pair on both of them. I'm gonna hit connect right here, and as you can see right here, it says your device is ready to go, connected. Now I'm gonna scroll down right here where it says Yashua iPhone under other devices. I'm gonna click this and I'm gonna click join personal area network. I'm gonna click this, and this thing should act as an access point. I'm gonna hit connect, and as you can see, connection successful. Now I'm gonna close out of this, and now wait a few seconds. As you can see right here, you will still see this network cable unplugged, but right here it shows Bluetooth network connection. And as you can see, now I do have Ethernet access, as you see. Now if I want to, I could go to YouTube right here, and it should load me using the iPhone mobile data. Okay.
Alright, so it depends on the network. The 4G, I've turned on like O2 5G as always to use 5Gs.
Okay, so as you can see guys, I'm back on YouTube. If I want to visit Facebook, so this might, yeah, as you can see. So as you can see, guys, I'm not lying. Okay, I've disabled my Wi-Fi adapter. I've also disabled my Ethernet, which is wired, and we are connecting via the Bluetooth network connection right there. Okay, and go to Netflix as well. So I do have like a 24-hour package. Yeah, I do have a 24-hour mobile data activate on my iPhone, and it's unlimited. Okay. Yeah. Alright, thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope this tour was helpful. And say whatever you'd like to disconnect, just go to your iPhone and just go to your Bluetooth right there, Bluetooth settings. Right there you're gonna see like this. You should be an iPhone or whatever iPhone. Then all you add is to disconnect the personal area network. Okay, disconnect PAN, but don't remove the device, otherwise you have to redo that whole process again. Okay, thanks so much for watching, guys. I hope this video was helpful.